Okay, and now we're back for the second part of our webinar. So over to you, Lizzie.
Great. So we have asked and answered questions about ourselves, and now we're going to practice asking and answering questions about a picture. Okay, so here is the picture. Oh, no, we'll move on from there. Can you see? Yeah? Great. Okay. So can you think of a question you could ask about this picture? Any question? Okay, I'm going to give you an example. So I could ask you, oh, I have someone. What is the man selling? Perfect. Okay. What is the man selling? Where are the people? Lovely. Okay. Some great ideas. What is the man
drinking?
selling?
Yeah, we've got some others. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Where are the people? Wonderful. Oh, I've lost my, sorry guys. I lost my chat for a moment. What are they drinking? Brilliant. Okay, how many people? Lots of ideas. Okay, and I can also ask like this. I can say, what is the woman in black doing? Okay, what is the woman in black doing? Or I could say, what is the man in orange doing? Yeah, if I want to identify which person, the man in red, the man in purple. Okay, so just for about 2 minutes again, I want you to look at the picture and just write down 3 or 4 questions that you can ask about the picture. Anything you want, okay? It could be about what the people are doing. It could be about the weather. You don't need to write it in the chat box. You can write it on a paper, okay? So just write it on the paper. So here's a challenge for you. Can you take a photo of this picture? Can you try to take a photo? If not, don't worry.
I took a screenshot and I can send it to you in the chat in the breakout rooms. Perfect. After we start the breakout rooms.
That's great. Yeah, thanks very much, Christina. Okay. So again, so you need your 3 questions. You've got 1 minute just to think about your answers to your questions. Okay. Sorry. Think about your questions and how you will ask them. Okay. Just think, or you can practice speaking, asking the questions if you want to. Okay. So now, again, Nancy can ask a question like before, okay? So just going around one by one, okay? You can help each other. You can think of as many questions as you like, okay?
Good. So I'm going to ask you guys how many minutes you think you want for this breakout room activity. You'll be in pairs or 3s. If you put your answers in the chat, I'll try to arrange accordingly. How many minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes? Okay, I'm going to make it 4 because it takes time for people to get in and out of the breakout rooms. Okay? All right. Okay, so I'll give you between 4 and 5 minutes. That's what people are wanting. I'm going to pause the recording and send you to the breakout rooms now.
Ask me, Andrea's group asked me, what is the woman doing in the window, or what is the woman doing at the window? And actually both are okay here. You can say both, Yeah, no problem. Also, when you ask a question, what is she doing? Yeah, what is he doing? What are they doing? Yeah, okay, great job, everyone. So we don't have a lot of time, so let's move on to the next activity. Okay, I know we're going very quickly. So let me share.
Teacher, is correct to say guide the dog? The yellow man is guiding the dog? It's
Oh,
correct to say?
you mean like he can't see? Do you mean that he can't see? Yes, it's a guide dog. Yeah,
Guide?
absolutely, yeah. G-U-I-D-E, guide dog. I'll just write it in the chat. So you can say the man is walking his guide dog. I'll just write it here. Do you have many guide dogs in Brazil? No, not many.
It's very expensive. It's very expensive to have a guide dog in Brazil.
Yes.
Because I know that they are trained by a special center in the US called Dorothy. I forgot her last name. She was one of the first organizations for guiding dogs in the world.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Monica. We have them here. It's usually from a charity, you know. Yeah, but many people are waiting for a guide dog.
Yeah, here you have to pay for that.
Yes.
And you have to be almost rich to have one, because I think that now it's like 5,000 pounds, something like that.
Goodness me. Okay. Yeah.
There is an ONG in Santa Catarina. It's a state next to mine, and they train some dogs for free too.
Oh, yeah.
If you have the dog, they can do it for free for you. But for special people who can't afford, you know.
Yeah. It's I think here you can adopt a puppy, so you can look after a puppy and train and help to train them, but I don't know.
Yeah, that's what they do. It's a special ONG. Okay.
Yeah, great. Okay. Do you have any other questions about the picture activity? No? Okay. So let's do the last activity. So I'll just share my screen again with you. Oh, did I do it? Okay, sorry, I'm too slow. Wrong way. Okay.
Can you go back one so I can pause the recording? It's really helpful to have it in sections.
Sorry.
Thank you. 1 second. I'm going to stop the recording here for part 2. Okay.